Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode. Ako ulit si Josh and thank you for tuning in. For today's episode, gusto ko i-share yung story behind the question na madalas kong naririnig or madalas na tinatanong sa akin. Ang tanong na, bakit dentistry? To be honest, noong una, hindi ko talaga gusto ang dentistry. Ang gusto ko talaga nun was to take music conservatory, major in piano. Because music has always been a huge part of my life. I enjoy playing the piano and I really imagined myself pursuing it as a career. Pero hindi ako pinayagan eh. My mom believed that dentistry would give me a more stable future. Since siya at ang sister ko at pati ilang cousins ko ay dentists, sabi nila na mas magandang path daw ang dentistry. Kaya kahit hindi yun ang first choice ko, yun ang course na tinake ko. Honestly, nung first year, hindi naging madali para sa akin. May mga pagkakataon na napapaisip pa rin ako kung ano ba ang buhay ko if tinuloy ko ang music. May mga moments na napapatanong ako sa sarili ko kung tama ba talaga ang naging direction ko. Pero habang lumilipas ang panahon, may unti-unting nagbago. Habang mas marami akong natututunan sa dentistry, mas na-appreciate ko yung course. Hindi lang pala siya tungkol sa ngipin. It's about helping people regain their confidence, relieving pain, and making a real difference in someone's life. Hindi ko rin maikakaila na sobrang hirap ng dentistry. Maraming sleepless nights, practical exams, at moments na susubukin talaga yung patience at confidence mo. Pero kahit mahirap, natututunan ko na rin siyang mahalin. Unti-unti, hindi na lang siya naging course na pinili para sa akin, naging course na pinili kong ipagpatuloy. And one thing I've learned is that sometimes, life doesn't always go according to our original plan. Minsan, mapupunta tayo sa direksyon na hindi natin inaasahan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na wala nang magandang mangyayari. Today, I am grateful that I gave dentistry a chance. And at the same time, hindi ko rin binitawan ang love ko for music. I still enjoy playing the piano whenever I have free time. It reminds me that even if I didn't pursue music professionally, it always be a part of who I am. So, kung ikaw ay nakikinig ngayon at nasa course or path na hindi mo naman talaga first choice, give it a chance. Hindi ko sinasabing maging pareho tayo ng story ha, pero minsan habang nagpapatuloy ka, dun mo rin makikita yung purpose at passion mo. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. This is Josh reminding you that life doesn't always follow the plan you first imagined. And sometimes that's exactly how you discover the path that's meant for you. See you on the next episode. Bye!